there, welcome back to my channel. Maya Marie here. If you want to be a part of the Mayan team, all you have to do is click that subscribe button and also make sure to turn that post notifications on so you know exactly when I post. Follow me on my social media and all of that will be down in the description box below. Alright, so let's get into this vision board. I'm so excited because I haven't done a vision board in a really long time. So I really wanted like some type of positivity on my channel. And I've been feeling down for a couple of days, so I really wanted to lift my spirits by doing something that will keep me positive throughout this time, but also helps me accomplish my goals. The first thing that I want to put on my vision board is God. I always try to keep God first in my life, so I am going to put that right smack dab in the middle of my vision board. I already outlined the board. I've already done like a little bit. The next thing that I have is hair goals. My hair is curly, but I really want it to be like super big. I got everything from the dollar store, so you do not have to spend a whole bunch of money doing a vision board. Some of these pictures are printed out and then some of them are magazines, so I kind of wanted to do a mixture of both. Okay, right now I'm just trying to figure out where the heck I want to put all this stuff. Dream cars. Okay, so next we have fitness. Traveling. This is my vision board and I'm finally done with it. And this is where I put my hair goals. Like I said earlier before, I really want my hair to be long in length, so that is a goal of mine. Hopefully I can get that within the next few years, but this is still on my board, so that way when I get a little discouraged, I can just look right here. I also have like this, I just added this for decoration, just like a really cute like little chalkboard sign. You could get that. I got all this stuff from the dollar store, so that was like super cheap. And then this is where I ended up placing all of my traveling. I have like Bali, I have Greece, I have all different types of places that I would like to go. And when I was in France, I had tried this bomb tart that I cannot keep talking about. So I put that on my board, so the next time that I go back to Paris, I can, like, I'm just gonna buy a whole bunch of them. And then this is where I decided to put my gym cars at, and I put it ranked from like what car that I really wanted the most, which is the Mustang, and then the BMW, and then the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. But if I were to be honest with you, I'd probably get the G-Wagon over the BMW because I don't like floor cars too much. I like being able to just hop out the car and just walk out. So on the top up here, I had put fitness. Sometimes I fluctuate with my weight. I'll go up, I'll go down, and sometimes I get really lazy with my workouts as well. So this will really encourage me to get the body that I want to get. So this is where all of my accomplishment sections are. So singing wise, I want to be able to get a Grammy, and then I want to win an Oscar as well. Acting side, like an Oscar is the goal for me. This is like a platinum record, so I either want my whole album to be platinum or start off with like a single being platinum, either or. I want a platinum record in my life, one in multiple. And then I put YouTube at the top because I really want my channel to grow to its full potential, and I want to expand it, and I really want to start doing cool stuff on my channel, and I want to be I want to do more with my channel. So that's why I put that on there, to just stay focused. At least I can look at this and remind myself that I'm getting there. I just have to be patient. And I also have Coachella on there because I want to perform at Coachella one day. I've been to Coachella and it's really fun, but I want to actually be the performer, and I want to perform up there on stage. I have just some like laughter and things like that. I always want to just remain happy. I want to remain humble. I want to always smile, and I never want to be down. So on the days where I'm down, I can just look at this and just remind myself to just keep on smiling through the negativity. And I have wealth. Now with the wealth, I have like money. I have this like little money jar thing that I found on like a magazine, and the money jar kind of reminds me of like my bank account. I want my bank account to always be full. I never want it to be really low or empty. I really want to not have to ever worry about money. I always just want to have way more than enough money in my bank account, and I just want to live lavish. I just want to just be happy. I also put money there too because I really, once I get successful, I really do want to help a lot of people as well. So that's why I also put money. It takes money to make money. So put that on there to just go after my goals and what I want. And then what else do I have on here? I have a Rolex. I just have like little baguettes. Yes, I said it. I do want a little baguette. Okay, hopefully within the next year. That's what I'm shooting for. I'm shooting for a little baguette. If y'all see me on my YouTube channel and I got a baguette in my mouth, then y'all know that it happened for me. Okay, it happened for me. I also I put Oprah on there. I have her on there because she's my inspiration, being a black woman, always getting things done, and she's like freaking billionaire. So that's kind of what I'm shooting for. I'm shooting for that billionaire status. I'm shooting to, I want to have tea with Oprah one day, which is crazy because I don't even like hot tea, but I would kill to have hot tea with Oprah. And then on this section, I just have fashion, things that I want in the future when I can afford them. Like, you know, I just have some like Gucci stuff, some Louis Vuitton stuff, some Balenciaga. I really want Balenciagas. I put the green, but I don't really care at this point. Oh, and then I also have something up there that says "You are gold, baby." So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I also hope that you guys do vision boards on your own and try them at home. Like, they're really fun to do. If you're bored and you have nothing to do, this is like an all-day project. It takes all day. It just depends on how much, if you're filling the whole board or if you're only doing like a little small section. But take your time with it, have fun, figure out what goals you really want to accomplish, whether it's 1 year, in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Have your goals set so that way you know where to reach and how long to reach for them for. Never give up on your dreams because eventually they will happen for you. Keep working, keep grinding, keep smiling, especially during these tough times. Follow me on my social media, and again, subscribe to my channel if you want to be a part of the Mayan team. Like this video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.